In this section, we're going to discuss the concept of testing ad concepts rather than testing ad copy. Now, traditionally, most advertisers will go into an ad group and they will really, adjust different ads, have 2 or 3 ads running where they adjust the copy and they adjust the messaging within the copy and they A/B test those ads. What I'm proposing here is rather testing key concepts about your brand that you can run across your whole account, and then you can measure it and review it in a very systematic way. Now, A/B testing, so why should we do this? A/B testing ads one by one is quite tedious, and yes, it's very granular and can be very effective, but testing concepts across your account is, in my opinion, overall going to be more effective and less tedious and possibly bring better outcomes. The idea here is that we're testing concepts for the brand and we're testing it across all campaigns and we can review the results easier. The setup is very easy, in my opinion. Once you've come up creatively with your ideas, to actually implement it is easy. And lastly, best practice for this is to really just use the concept in one part of your ad, let's say the headline 1, which is usually the most effective part, and then keep the rest of the ad the same. Okay, now next we're going to look at potential different concepts that you can come up about your brand.